If you need to remove a card from your Barclays account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Barclays website or open the Barclays mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, locate the section for Card Management. This is typically found under Accounts or Cards in the main menu. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the Card Management section, you will see a list of your cards. Choose the card you wish to remove by clicking on it. Step 4. Initiate removal process. Look for an option that says Remove Card or Delete Card. Click on this option to start the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure verification details are ready. After completing these steps, the card will be removed from your Barclays account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Barclays customer service for assistance.